Good morning, boys, girls, everyone on YouTube. What's up? How you doing today? It's your boy Brappie here, back at you ready to talk with another video. And today, it's just a beautiful day. Just a beauty day all around. Beautiful. But not too sure what we're gonna do. Waiting for Mr. Cigarette to get here. I'm gonna fill up the bong, smoke more and toke. Buddy never did come to make it to look at the car last night. Not too sure what happened there, but if anyone wants to buy a mint car, fucking $1,500, let me know. All day long, can't go wrong with that price. So fucking come and get her. First thing I'm gonna do today is sort out some of these recycling boxes, cause we got them a little bit mixed up. We got chocolate with our cardboard. That's not cardboard. So yeah, we gotta organize and sort these out real quick and have them ready. Got the bins all sorted out there. Fucking right we do. Just cleaning up a little bit over here. Push the barbecue back a little bit. Straighten the swing out. Hung that thing back up there. Clean the propane tanks up. Rolled that all up on the cord type shit. Moved the plants. Looks like there's an animal or something getting into the tomato plant last night. Not too sure. We'll have to get a broom and sweep that dirt off. Yeah, not too sure what the plan is today. Seems like it's gonna be really nice, so maybe we'll go down to the water. Maybe try out the tube today. We would try the 4-person Big Mabel tube, but due to COVID, you're technically not allowed to have any fun. So, fucking that sucks. Getting our tables nice and cleaned up. That looks a lot fucking better. Now we're gonna clean up this table. Fucking rights we are. Get the job done. Lincoln, if you're watching this video, bud, you better fucking stay clear from my place, cause I'm gonna fucking kick your teeth in if you ever come on my fucking property again. I just can't find my fucking weed, and I know you fucking took it. So, this is what I think of your bong, bud. Mr. Cigarette's bong is broken. But, I don't know. He stole my weed. And he was the only one who knew where my weed was in the center console when we were cleaning the whip yesterday. I had 2 bags in there. And the 1 bag went missing. So, I don't know. I'm gonna let him explain himself when he comes over next, but I'm not apologizing for the broken bong, because if he stole my weed, then I guess we're even. Broken bong for stolen weed. But fuck, man, that pisses me off. You know, come outside, go to bust up some weed, and it's not there. So I was like, fuck your bong then, pretty much. I was looking over in the lot and the grass is getting pretty long, so we gotta go cut that. And Hayden's grass is getting fairly long too, so we gotta go cut that tomorrow. Fucking right we do. Gotta keep people happy. If anyone wants a fucking mint sunfire, let me know. Let me know. This lawnmower works mint, I like this one. Fucking always starts first pull. The new gas line I put on it works fucking awesome. Yeah, never any complaints with this bitch. Jesse showed up. Alright. What are you saying today, bud?
I'm going to drop the stuff off to Joseph and then come back around. I don't know. Yeah.
I'm not really saying a whole lot today. Just cutting the grass here right now. Then I think I might cut the grass over there because it's getting a little long.
Yeah, you got my membership too for fishing.
Oh yeah, that's mint.
Yeah, only a year, but.
And then I think later we might be going down to the water if you want to come with us over down to the T-Wharf. Yeah, might as well bring your fishing rod. I gotta get one of those.
I'll be getting a fishing rod and tackle and everything later.
How much was that?
The 1 year?
Yeah.
I know for 3 years it's $100 for 3 years.
That's not too bad.
So.
Alright, peace out, bud. So what the fuck happened?
So I ended up getting weed off Jesse last night.
Yeah, where's my weed?
And then apparently his weed's gone. So we gotta figure all this shit out.
Yeah, and Lincoln's bong got broken.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, guess what happened?
What happened? Oh yeah.
I was mad.
Oh yeah.
Cause I thought you took my weed.
Uh-oh.
So, yeah.
Uh-oh.
So that's the situation right now.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Fucking guy, man. You better not be lying to me.
No bud.
Alright.
I don't even know.
We got the second lawnmower out here now. We're just using my dad's because it's fucking like brand new. Don't have to worry about any problems. The 2-stroke lawnmower works pretty good, but it's just a pig on gas. Like, you do spend a tank or 2 on gas just doing the lot in this. Where the 4-strokes, you fill them up and they'll go all day pretty much.
Oh yeah.
So we'll fucking get this lot all cut up, cleaned up, and then we'll do this front yard and maybe the backyard quick. Got the trailer pulled out of the way. Lincoln's gonna fire that up. Just looking into the boat here, wishing we could move it, and fuck, it's a good thing I had Lincoln chain her up for me, because he had the lock tightened in the chain, but all he had around the boat was just the lock or the chain just sort of wrapped like that. So I just got her after. Now we can get her over in the backyard. Fucking man. Getting the lot nice and cleaned up here. Oh, that's all cut. This shit's all cut back nice. Looking a lot better. Gotta trim this thorn bush though. She's sticking out. Gotta get some trimmers and cut that down. Yeah, things are pretty tidy back here. We got a little pile of wood here in the back. And next time I make it up north, we'll take this shit up with me and then we can get it burnt up. Then it's not so much of an eyesore. Probably just take a trailer full of wood, take all that shit, take this wood here, then we'll take any of these trees and shit that we can, try to get this shit cleaned up a bit. Because I want to try to push it back as far as we can, because over the years it's just been piled full of trees and shit, and it's came out. At one point, all the brush and shit was like right out to where the dirt was. And then in the past year or 2, I've pushed it all back and cleaned it out a bit. But yeah. Plan right now is we're trying to figure out how we're getting the boat over to the house. Because it's just me and Lincoln here. So we're just trying to figure out exactly how we're going to do that. So I think the plan is here to flip the boat upside down on the trailer, and then hopefully it doesn't make the trailer too heavy. That was pretty successful. That worked pretty friggin' mint. Fucking right it did. Holy shit, we got the boat ready to roll. Fucking rights we do. But I just thought about it, we gotta move the Sunfire first. Holy shit. We're motoring. We got her across the road. Now I just gotta pull the Sunfire out, take it back over to the lot, beautiful girlfriend, and then we'll back the trailer in and we'll be good to go. Sunfire's back in the lot. We're gonna take the lawnmowers back over, and then we'll get the boat in the backyard. Then we'll relax for a minute. What do you think about that, Link?
Oh yeah.
That was fucking successful. Got the boat in the fucking laneway now. Probably just gonna leave it on the trailer just like this until we get an extra set or two of helping hands. Yeah, because if my dad backed his car up, then you could put his car down over there. And then we could back the trailer up a little bit more, so it's back here. And then just flip the boat off of the trailer. Then the boat would be sitting like right here, then just pull the trailer out. I think that's the best way we're gonna do that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go grab a fucking Rocket Man for Lincoln and an ice cream sandwich for myself. Want your snack, bud?
Oh, Rocket Man!
There you go, bud.
Rocket Man!
Well, I was just talking to my dad on the phone there. And I guess he's pulling the boat out of the water already. I guess they were just testing it for the night. But thank fuck he's not putting it back in the laneway. He's gonna put it across the road, because I'm not moving this again anyways. But yeah, pretty much we just gotta have my dad move his car down in there. Then we can wheel this back, flip the boat off, and all will be good. But in the meantime, not too sure what the plan is. What's the plan, lads?
I don't know.
Smoke a bong? Smoke a bong or what?
Smoke a bong, yeah. Then you tape it up.
What the hell happened to your bong already?
I stomped on it. That's what happened to it. And I'm not even sorry. I'm not apologizing. Got Lincoln cutting the grass. I think I'm gonna smoke a bong. Figure 8.
To 2,426, and almost 80% of the cases now have been cleared up and resolved. For the past 3 days, more than 20,000 tests have been completed. The reported number of hospitalized patients with COVID-19 is 635, with 117 in intensive care and 92 on a ventilator. For more, keep listening to this station and visit globalnews.ca.
101.5 The Wolf.
Mr. Cigarette got his bong going again.
And I just wanted to send my love and compassion to everybody and remind you that we're all in it together.
Brappie's underneath the boat. Gonna be getting out the metal. Right uphill. Fucking A.
Yep, start turning it. Oh, you turned the wrong one, bud. Turn the middle one. You getting her?
Yeah.
There she goes. Well, we got one done. One more to go. I'm just gonna do this side. Then we'll have to deal with this middle rudder shit, but we'll save that for last. We got those two things out. Fucking right, we did. And I just got back with the boat. Gonna back that in. Oh, looks like Jeff's backing it in. Very nice. You're getting shit done here. I've been working up at the top, pulling all the screws out of this old trim. I got cigarette back here at the back. Sanding. You gotta get her wrapped up more than that, bud.
Oh yeah, I'm going to, don't worry.
Alright. And then yeah, we're gonna be getting those holes patched up. Then we'll get this shit patched up. And then I don't know, I'd like to power wash it, so I don't know if we're gonna patch it then power wash it, or power wash it then patch it. But yeah, probably patch it, let everything dry, then we'll power wash it, then we can paint it. Taking the car for a test drive. They might be interested in her, hopefully. See what happens.
I can't wait.
And there she goes.
Yeah. Hold on. You got a grand, right?
Yeah.
Take that. Now you got 11.
And the car is gone. $1,800 later. Fucking right. That's a mint day right there.
Oh yeah, bud.
Gotta stick our plates back up on the wall there for when we buy our next vehicle. And I hang these here, then, you know, if I buy a trailer, just pull the plate off, take it with me. If I buy a truck, just grab the plates, take them with me. You know, if I got a car, just slap the plates on. It's fucking mint. Gonna go for a walk to the store so we can go buy a lighter, because we ran out of matches.
We did.
Yep. Yeah, very successful day today. Fucking right. I gave Lincoln fucking $10 too for helping me clean out the car yesterday.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, very successful day.
Pack off your dad.
Yeah, Sunfire's gone, so now it's time to see what else I'm gonna buy.
Oh,
If anyone's got cars for sale, hit me up. I'll buy them. Back at the house now. Lincoln got a lady for us, didn't you? 3 nights you did.
I flicked my bick.
Got some dinner going here. I was just talking to someone with an Audi, and I might be making a deal with them on it. I think for like $2,000 or something. I'm not too sure yet. Gonna go pick up a fucking dirt bike. Friggin' rights we are. Just a little pit bike. Getting it for fucking $800. Can't complain with that. Thing's friggin' mint. Thing is mint. So we're gonna leave Lincoln here to continue sanding the boat. Me and my dad are gonna go grab the bike. Yeah, get her sanded, bud. Ready for repair. Just got home with the new bike. Fucking rights we did. Thing runs mint. Fucking rights. Not 100% sure where Lincoln went off to, but he's done a pretty good job so far. Got that done while we were out. Then between him, me, and Jeff, we got this all banged up. It's gonna be ready for repair in no time. Got all the trim off of it. We just gotta get the rest of this area looking like that. And then she'll be ready for a fiberglass repair kit. Then some sanding and some paint. And she'll be ready to hit the water. So that's a good thing. And then yeah, fucking mint purchase right there. If anyone wants to buy a dirt bike, let me know. Oh, she's fucking pitch black now. Friggin' right it is. It's been a long day though. Fucking, we've got work done on the boat. We've got this grass cut. We got the lot cleaned up and cut. We got the Sunfire sold for 1,800 bucks. We just went and bought a dirt bike, and we've already, I haven't even put it on Kijiji yet, and I already got people messaging me about it. So, probably won't own this for too long. Take a couple rides on it, make a quick buck on it. And then down the road, I want to get myself a nice fucking dirt bike. Get like a Honda or something. But we'll have some fun on this for the time being. Tomorrow, maybe take her up to Jackson's Park for a little bit. Go for a little brap.
Damn right.
Because we got some gas in the shed anyway.
Damn right,
so.
hit some jumps.
Well, I don't know about the jumps unless you're buying it first. Because we can't break it. We just gotta...
True, we just brap it.
Just go for a little brap. Don't break anything.
Take her up the trail.
Yeah. Exactly. But anyways, folks, we're gonna relax here. Jesse bought me a beer, so I'm gonna drink that. And we'll catch you tomorrow.
Some weed oval.
Oh, Lincoln brought some weed over. His hands are white as fuck still from sanding.
Oh, damn right, buddy. You like that shit?
But share to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.